I'm sleeping like a babe. The curiosity, give the cat a light. You see, you see, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head onto the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and later made her cry. Well, luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. What a way to start the day.